Hi, this is Sprint 5 for Astro Sprint. So for this project, we changed a lot of the structure of how the entire game functions. So I'll go through that first. First, we finally fixed the merge conflicts with the lobby. So now the lobby is done. We also have some new UI, and the way it will work, it's over here, is that the player will be able to see the instructions of the game through this UI over here. Oh, we're on the wrong side of it. But yes, it's over here, and the player will be able to see this and choose the mode of the game. We haven't linked that up yet, but we will over break, so everything will be done by design day. I'll probably make another video just to document what we've done, just so we keep ourselves on track over the break. So the way the project works now is that all of the scenes are now in one scene called lobby. And then this works by the player spawning in the lobby here, and then when they hit play, which is through a collision with this block, they'll spawn in the first scene, which is the city scene, and then move on the spline, and then the scenes will be deactivated and reactivated depending on when they should be played. So here is the city scene with its spline through it. Here is the planet scene with its spline. And then the space scene here. We will also have a skybox updater, so the skybox will look different for every single scene. But here's the spline in the space scene. And then if we go into city scene, for example, let's turn space scene off. City scene, for example, it works through, this is the track, it's called a spline. This runner here that spawns the obstacles on the spline based on what city we're in. So this is the city scene, so the city themed obstacles will be on this spline. Yes, so I'll run the game now. Okay, so the way that this works is this block will be punched, and so to mimic that happening, we can just expand its collider so that it's as if the player collided with it. So now it's been triggered. You'll spawn into the city, and then as soon as the other player joins, everyone will be teleported onto the spline, and it will start. And because there's not another player right now, it's just set to click, just to mimic this action. So here's the spline moving, and then it will give the players a bit to adjust to the movement, so objects don't spawn yet. But as you can see, the objects are spawning here, and these are the city themed ones, so it will be like this for every single level. And then here, this is the UI things. These will be fixed over break. But yeah, this is how it will look. And then when it reaches the end, it will deactivate this level, activate the next level, and so on until the game ends.